It's been a little while. It's been a little while since I came up on you because I was just in a funk. So, you know. Anywho, I'm just getting home from work and I ordered some stuff from Amazon because I had a gift card and I didn't remember I had that gift card until I was digging through my purse, and then I realized how much money was on it. So I spent it. I still got some left over, but yeah. I got some eyeliner. I could have sworn. Anyway, I got this eyeliner because I needed some new eyeliner, and these are the lashes that I wear all the time. These are my favorite lashes that I actually like. And I got a makeup vanity. This is the one I wanted, but I don't think this is the one I wanted, but this is what I got because I'm about to change this one out. I'm gonna change this one out for this one. But I could have sworn I ordered some lash glue because I needed some more lash glue. So we're gonna see. Knowing me, I probably forgot to order it, so no, I think I forgot to order it, but that's okay. I'm gonna get me some more lash glue because I'm trying to redo everything. Like, I'm trying to upgrade my stuff. And this mirror is supposed to be, let me put it down here. This mirror is supposed to be like USB and batteries. And I like it. Picasso. Dang, this thing was hard to open. Is it because it had so many different mirrors? And then it's like the little power button right here to cut it on and off. Yeah. So I'm definitely excited. Is this the right way? Yeah. Child, I'm finna break it. Close it back up. There. All I had to do was close it, dummy. I am so tired, y'all. Good Lord. So yeah. And this tilts too. So it's pretty cool. And it has like a little tray here where you can put your stuff. No, I ain't gonna put them there. I'll probably put like, oh, shoot. I'll probably put like my eyeshadow, the ones that I use on the regular, down there. So yeah, I didn't have anything going on today. I did get some clothes that I need to film. I'm still waiting for, like, this company. I'm missing some items that's taking forever to ship. I have some hair I need to film, and then I have some more clothes and some more hair. I'm running out of space, so if I have a sale with like clothes and hair and stuff like that, I just want to know, are y'all gonna buy it? Because I'm running out of space. I'm actually thinking about turning my third room into like my, I don't know, definitely like my editing room, and maybe overflow of clothes, because the room that I have for my clothes, like, that's getting full. So sis gotta do something. I gotta sell. I gotta do something, because very much something, because I'm running out of space. I'm running out of space. So I just want to get on here and tell you guys hi. Okay, I'll be back. Not tonight, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so we'll see how I feel tomorrow. Okay, toodles. Hey y'all, It's Friday. I'm just getting off work. Like, look at my forehead. Let me see if it'll fix the I don't know why it's so light, but y'all, my forehead is like oily. Like, I've had a long day. But I did stop by the store when I got off, and I got me some perfume. This stuff smells so good. And then I also got some incense because I grew up on incense and I wanted some incense too. Sometimes I want to light an incense, sometimes I want a candle. A chemical is a chemical, no matter how you smell it. And then I also had to re-up on my fabric tabs. And then I needed some fabric softener too, but man, I had a long day. I also had to get some more bleach bleach for my hair. I've never tried this brand, but I've always seen the girls use this. So I'm gonna use it because I just ordered me some new hair. I got me some 26-inch straight hair from Amazon. Here. Then I also got a unit that came in from a brand that I have to do. And then I still got to do this one. I'm going to re-bleach this one because the knots didn't bleach that well for me. And what I wanted to do with the hair, it really didn't do what I wanted to do either. So I'm going to re-bleach it. I don't know if I'm going to re-bleach it. I'll probably most likely will re-bleach it tomorrow because I am dog tired. Oh, and I also got these plugins too. Oh Lord. I got these plugins. These smell pretty good. I've never had this watermelon and berries before. Yeah. So I'm just going to unwind, and I do have to go to work tomorrow. Y'all, I'm going on vacation in a few weeks. Taking vacation for work. Oh, this is one I had before. I thought I had something different. Yeah, so I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, so I need a vacation, okay? Your girl is tired. And today really drained me. I got this, yeah, I got that old school incense holder, but I wanted to try something different, so we're gonna see how this one do. I wonder, are these ashes gonna fall straight down? Because this is a little wobbly. Like, look at that. My ashes gonna be outside this thing? We're gonna see. But yeah, I didn't want much. I'm excited about all this stuff I got today. I gotta wash clothes because I need my uniform for tomorrow. I really just need to get me some more uniforms. That'll solve the issue. But no, I'm not. I'm not. No, I'm not. And it was hot as hell today, okay? Like, literally, it was hot as hell outside today. Yeah, so. All right, bye. I'm done rambling. I ain't got much to say, okay? Hey, I'm back. Yeah. Today is Sunday. I really haven't been like in the mood to be doing too much, but I'm on my way to Ulta because I want to get some patches for my dark circles that I have underneath my eyes. I don't know what's wrong with this lighting. And then also I need some setting spray, and then I got this perfume from JCPenney's the other day, and I thought I had a different, I was trying to get something, a scent that I didn't have before, but when I got home I realized I already have that one, so I'm going to take that one back to get another one. And I need some lotion. And then I'm going to get me something to eat because I'm hungry. I wouldn't necessarily say I've just been relaxing all day. I've been productive. I bleached two wigs. And yeah. So let me show y'all the fit for the day. Now I still got to put my shoes on, but you know, this is what she's giving because it's raining outside. And this is one of the wigs that I had worked on, and your girl was feeling real fancy and put some color in there. Like, I bleached the knots. I'm getting finer by the day, baby. But let's go ahead on, because tomorrow I gotta film this haul that's back there, and it's 3 o'clock and I'm just, well, 4 o'clock now, so yeah. These are the other, like this unit, I just bleached the knots on it and got to do the review on that one. This one I just rewashed it, and I'm letting both of them dry. So when I come back home, I will blow dry that straight one, because I want to film, when I get home, I'm going to blow dry that straight one, because I'm going to film that one tomorrow. So I'm just putting my shoes on so I can get up out of here. It has been raining, so that's why I got on this windbreaker, because child, I'm just not feeling it. I'm not. I gotta run these errands and come on home. So let's go. Y'all, let me just say this. I could not find this in the store to save my life. But this is what I came in here for. But no, there was no worker. No worker. Helped everybody but me. I was in this store for a good little minute trying to find that mask stuff. And then I also picked up this pineapple exfoliator. I don't know. From Good Molecules. So I don't know. It says it's a powder. And it says it's pineapple. So I'm assuming it's going to be good. It says a powder to cream cleanser to exfoliate. I need to start exfoliate in my face. So yeah. And then I also got, ooh, bitch. Then I also got some setting spray. Damn. It don't smell like nothing right now, but I'm pretty sure once I start using it and it actually like starts to cream up, that it's gonna smell like pineapples. So let me go get something to eat. Shoot. Let me call in my food because I want some cat dog. So I'm gonna call that in. And then I seen Publix has tres leches cake. So I'm gonna go get some cake because I want some. And then when I get home, I'm gonna put these on my face. They don't smell like nothing but jelly, but Yeah. All right, bye. So I was doing a little research, and I want a tres leches cake. And when I googled it, it said that Publix had some. So what I'm finna do is come up in Publix to see if they really do have it, because I really want some cake. So yeah, that's what my pussy ass about to go do. Go get some cake. Listen, if you want to get you a man's, come to Publix. Come to Publix. I'm just gonna start coming up here just to be coming up here, because, honey, the man's was in there. The man's was manning. Gonna place my order. Shit. Nope. I forgot I gotta take this back to that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this back. Shoot. Let me go return or exchange this perfume. Dang. You know what I was thinking too? Like, I probably should have stopped by Bed Bath & Beyond, because they closing. Pretty sure this one's closing. Yeah. But I don't need nothing else. Not at the moment for my house. I do want a new kitchen table, but one room at a time, young blood. One room at a time, young blood. It just feels weird being outside my house on a Sunday. Like, on a Sunday. Let me call on this order. I'm tripping. Alright, so I made it back home. And I cannot wait. I did go to Publix to get this cake. But my thing is, they didn't have the slices, so I had to buy this whole entire cake. They didn't have slices, so I had to buy the whole thing. So I'm excited. I want to see. Is it good? It better be. Shoot. Let me taste it real quick. It's not bad, but I've had better. And I've also had worse. So, got me a little snack for today. Well, I'm about to eat my dinner and edit, and that's it for today. Nothing major going on today. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna film. Like, I got stuff I need to do tomorrow. Today was pretty much just chill day. Let me feed my dog. Hey y'all, it's me, I'm back. I just finished recording this haul, and I came across this video and it was giving me tips on like settings for this camera. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to see. But I'm hungry, I'm tired. I gotta feed this dog because, and I gotta check my mailbox because I finally recorded some content after 3 weeks of me not recording, not editing, not doing nothing. So, ooh, this thing is cold. I gotta like clean this stuff up, cause like this is where I did this hair video. This is where I was doing all my clothes and stuff. Gotta put these tripods and stuff up. Clothes that I done changed out of. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in my room. Start cleaning this stuff up. I don't know if I'm gonna take this hair off or sleep with it on. I don't know, because when I tell you these edges do not want to lay for your girl. So, oh my gosh. It was like giving me hell. But I kind of like it. I dyed that little piece right there, and I also put some highlights throughout. You know what I'm saying? Because who am I turning into? You know what I'm saying? Like, who am I turning into? But anyway, I just want to get on here to say hello to you guys. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now. Money green, thick like a cucumber. Hey y'all. Listen. When I tell y'all today today has been today, okay? Let me just say that. On my way to work, a rock decided, you know, he wanted to play with me today. And look what he did. Like, can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. A whole rock then ate my windshield. So now I gotta get a new windshield because I don't like riding around with windshields looking like this. Hopefully it doesn't start like going across, but child. And then work. Work drained me today, okay? It drained the hell out of me. So now I'm about to go home and take this wig off. I was surprised I wore this today. Normally I was gonna go to my old faithful, but you know, something new. Now, in my last vlog, I said I needed some new hair, and if a hair company wanted to send me some hair, go ahead and send it. Baby, did they send it? They sent it. They sent it, you know? Look at the helicopter, the chopper. The chopper in the air. And I have been sweating so bad, like, oh my God, I just need to go home, wash my butt, and just relax. I'm not even really hungry. I'm not even hungry. That's the crazy part. So, yeah. I don't know. I just don't know what else to say. I'm at a loss for words. Hey. How you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, hello, whatever time of the day it may be. I was so tired yesterday. Let me tell you guys, I forgot to close my back windows on my car. So, good thing I park in my garage, because oh my God, I was tired yesterday, boy. It drained me yesterday. It really did. It really did. So, obviously, I'm on my way back to work yet again. Child. I am tired. My eyes feel very, very poofy. I'm just tired. That's just that. I'm just tired. I wanted to possibly stop at Dunkin' Donuts, but I left a little bit too late for that. So no Dunkin' Donuts for me. I might have time to stop past like a little gas station when I get closer to my job. But y'all, this is day 2 of wearing this wig. Only thing I don't like is like how thin this little part is right here. But don't be that close up on me, okay? And I told the company, I was like, hey, this is a cute wig. I said, but that little lace in the front, you might want to make that a little bit thicker. And this is a 13 by 1 lace. Y'all, I thought my windshield was toe up. I'm not even gonna do it to them, but oh Lord. Look at my phone. Yes. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey. But I was talking to my homegirl. She was like, why don't you just see if they can like put that filler in my crack on the windshield. I was like, you know what, you might be right, let me try that. So that's what I'm going to do.
There's a big issue when it comes to long-term care. You know,
I'm blurry. My phone. Hey y'all. Hey Stinklebutt. I got off work, obviously, and now I done dropped my daggone phone. But oh shit, my finger almost got stuck. Got it. And I'm on my way to my parents' house because my mama grew some cucumbers and she wanted me to come get some cucumbers. So I'm about to go get me some homemade cucumbers. Not homemade. What is homemade cucumbers? I'm going to get some homegrown, fresh, organic cucumbers from my mama Gordon. So yeah, today wasn't that crazy. I didn't have any patients today, so you know. But tomorrow and Friday, we are booked and busy from the time we get to work till the time we leave. So I'm definitely gonna call it a night early tonight, and then our first patient tomorrow is at 7:30, so gotta relax this body, gotta get my beauty rest. But let me go get these cucumbers, head to the house, and yeah, watch this. Hey.
Hey. Hey, Jimmy Bug.
All right. Hey.
You know you had to do all that.
Ow.
You know you had to do all that.
Get off of me.
You know you had to do all that.
I heard y'all was looking for me.
Yeah.
Hey.
She's making spring rolls.
That's not spring roll. That's
I
Lindsay.
mean,
I called you.
I'm talking to my cousin.
You're talking to your cousins, but you ain't talking to me. Where my nephew?
In his room. I got new dolls.
Hey. Hey, handsome. What you doing? Playing? Okay. All right, come on here. Close that door.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
No, that is not a horse. Girl, he's not a horse.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that, bada. The cover my face, calling me like bada. Biggie man, we know they wear a bada. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get it, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get it, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive we face. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people they go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. I no feet, ride for nothing.
Been a few hours and it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once.